Hi guys, welcome back to the shed. Welcome back to another episode on the CD200, or Honda Bentley as we call it. So in the last episode we finally got it running right, took it out, we're very happy with that. And now it's just a few finishing touches. So what are we doing today? So the bike's already up, front wheel off, it's here. So tyres have arrived, we've got some nice Metzlers, we're here, spending money on it. So yeah, 2 tyres, 2 tubes, front brakes, new rim tape, front wheel's already off. Because I'm going to be riding it to Wales in February, got a universal cheap Chinesium screen, tinted as well, to fit. And I bought some really bad Chinese handguards, which we're going to fit today. So yeah, not a lot's going to happen in this video. Mainly tyres. We just need to get this thing ready for the road. Well, she's already on the road, but new tyres, just so I feel a bit more confident about riding it. Don't really like riding on really old tyres. Yeah, let's crack on with these tyres. Well, that's the tyre off. That was a bugger. I think it's because it's cold or very old. I was hoping the rims would be in a bit better condition and not needing to be de-rusted and painted. But here we are, so it's going to take a little bit longer. Now you've seen me do this before, so I'm just going to wire wheel all this off, paint it black, and then we can build it back up. That's the rim de-rusted. Now, I don't know if it'll come out on camera. Check that out. Everything's going to be covered in dust now. Always forget about that. Yeah, everything's going to need a wash. Fantastic. But hey, rim's clean. Right, that's all that painted. I must say, I really do like the Rustin's paint. Always does a good job. Obviously very fast drying as well. Dries a lot quicker than Hammerite, and I think does a better job. So, on with the tyres next. Brake plate. New grease on the Speedo drive, new brake shoes, everything cleaned up, all working nice. So that's ready to go back in as well. Let's get a tyre on this one. Right, that's the front wheel back on. Nice new tyre. And I've already got the back wheel off. Now this one isn't as bad on the inside. Still will need cleaning and painting. And then we can get the tyre fitted and get onto some more interesting stuff. So that's the back wheel back on. All sorted, new tyres front and back. I've just replaced the fuel line because that was leaking in the last video. And now we're going to get on to fitting these beautiful handguards that I've bought. I mean, look at these beauties. I mean, it's got to be functional, I suppose. And there goes something like that. You know when you've got a quality kit because you actually get a spanner with it. I mean, can't get any more quality than that. So it looks like these brackets, oh, I've got the wrong one. Looks like this bracket will go kind of under the mirror post. And then the handguard will go onto that. I'm going to try fitting one and I'll bring you back to have a look. Well, I don't know if it's genius or stupidity, but we've got some handguards on. I mean, can't beat them, nice and cheap, but they do the job. Protect from the wind chill. Actually look alright. I can hear Phil saying now, do you know what? I like them, I want a set for me Bentley. Well, because I'm a good mate, look, I got him a set. He's probably actually thinking, I don't want them, they look ridiculous. But I've got him a set just in case he does. Next, we're going to put the screen on. Now, I can't do this and film it because I can't hold everything, but yeah, once the screen's on as well, I think it's going to look awesome. Right, that's the screen on. I think it suits the bike quite well. It's hard to see because the camera just looks right through it, but yeah, I think it's pretty cool. The handguards. Obviously I can see straight over the top of it, but yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Should keep some of the wind and rain off me. Excellent. Not much left to do now. Thinking about stealing the top box off the blue C90 to put on the back of this. I might try and straighten that rack out, but I actually quite like it all bent up. But yeah, the bike's virtually there. Now we've got tyres on, everything's sorted, screen, handguards. I'll get a top box maybe, and we just need to get it out and ride it now, I suppose. And yeah, give it its first proper shakedown. But yeah, going alright. I mean, back then, just before I turned the camera on, it felt like I was going to have to turn around and go home because it just was struggling for power, and all of a sudden it went backfired and now we've got full power. Strange. Very strange, but hey. Must have been something in the carb. Got no idea. Well, still going. Nothing's fallen off yet. So we've done 15 miles on her now. That's not today, that's total. And she's still going. She's a bit vibey. But, you know, what can you do? Contemplating my life choices now. Typical, just pull straight out. No idea I was there.